Miss Sandy is smart. After her extensive education and worldwide experience in coatings, she can tell you it's all about processes and people. That the secret sauce to crafting a well run manufacturing business is not just the recipe, but in approach and placement. And this is where Miss Sandy shares her pearls of wisdom by shining the light on the unrecognized and unaddressed that could be lurking in your job shop. Think you need a new employee? Perhaps a rework of the way you organize and work through a job is in order first. Maybe addressing downtimes, housekeeping, part failure, and addressing your own talent is what should come first. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.